morning, traders. On this beautiful November 26th, you are witnessing in front of you market open on Dow Future. We identified all of these levels well before market open. This is trend inception on Dow. This is trend reversal. No matter what chart you trade, you never buy near this level. If I convert this chart right now to 5, do you see what played out? As expected, Dow reversed from alpha Fibonacci reversal level. If I convert this chart to any chart you choose to trade, identical levels remain. Right now we are monitoring this support, not the place to short. Brilliant trader expecting bullish pullback. Brilliant trader separating power versus weakness from this crucial alpha Fibonacci support. So far, bullish pullback is worthless. If I convert this chart to 1, what do you see? We absolutely expected bullish response. Dow already pulled back 10 points. Dow moving very fast trade. So what are you witnessing in front of you? What does a brilliant trader knows? Your success rate on shorts less than 20%. This is the end of the minor trend. Brilliant trader knows this. Correct? This is S&P mini future. This is critical support as we discussed with students pre-market. We're dealing with overextended bullish rally. However, this is support. Expect buyers to come from. We agree? What is a brilliant trader knows? S&P extremely high, but if this support respected, you cannot short. This is your range on S&P this morning. And again, if I convert this chart to 5, what do you see? We identify these levels days in advance. This is the power of the method. You know extremely well where not to buy. You know extremely well what not to short into. On both, bullish pullback in a play. On both, market extremely high. And again, if I convert this chart to 1, to the tick price reminding you, we knew this well before market open. Correct? It is that simple. It is that powerful. So this is your range on Dow this morning. This is your range on S&P this morning. This is your critical day trading support and day trading resistance. So traders, brilliant intelligent trader on standby, monitoring this critical area. Everyone with me? Absolutely the key. This is your trading range on Dow. This is your trading range on S&P. So again, traders, you are witnessing in front of you ultimate chop. You are witnessing in front of you market stock. This is your range on Dow. This is your range on S&P. Again, if I go back in and I would convert to 5, did we know or did we know that this is not the place to buy? Of course. Did we know or did we know that this is not the place to buy? Of course. This is your range this morning. This is a level we're monitoring since the open. Critical support, not the place to short. This is the end of the minor trend. Brilliant, intelligent trader knows that. Brilliant, intelligent trader loves this game. Can get enough of moments like this, when trader being tested to the core on 3 pillars of trading success. It is absolutely crucial to understand trading is not about knowing where to buy, where to sell. This is the most important part. passing tests like this. This is the end of the minor trend. This is brick wall. Market been stuck here for the last 30 minutes. Are we seeing powerful buyers? Absolutely not. Powerful buyers stepped in European session. There is no powerful buyers now. Only bullish weakness. S&P in ultimate chop. You can deal with this. You can trade anything. Alpha Fibonacci trading system showing you clearly. If you obey the most important rule you learn in the course, you are not in pain. Critical support remains respected. If buyers picking up this steam, brilliant intelligent trader knows. This is critical moment. This is critical place. Correct? So did everyone expected this on Dow? Of course. Did everyone expected this on S&P? Of course. As we're discussing with students, all the pros and all the cons on these long trades. Correct? Once again, all identified in advance, never after the fact. Nothing else on this planet would show you ultimate place to buy from, ultimate place to short from. Alpha Fibonacci will. And that's the power of the method. Critical moment on both. This is one of the most powerful and the most spectacular places in the market. This is stunning and flawless response from the end of the minor trend on Dow. This is flawless and stunning response and very different range on S&P, which is the key. If I convert this chart to 1, this is market open. Brilliant trader, extremely well prepared. No surprises here. Ultimate support, not the place to short. And that's the stunning lesson this morning on both S&P and Dow. So this is the power of trading. You do not need many trades. This is what you need. 23 points on Dow. Your workday is over. Adios, let's have a good Thanksgiving. We agree? And that's the power of intelligent trader. It's never ever ever about number of trades. It's about quality. We agree? And that's the key. James, 30 points on Dow. Boom. Choice is yours if you want to trade ES versus want to trade Dow. This morning Dow had drastically better structure than ES. This morning Dow reminded you, if you know, Alpha Fibonacci trading system, it's a pain-free trading. Trading becomes pure blast. Again, if I convert this chart to 5, identical Alpha Fibonacci support remains. Not the place to short, the place to buy from. This is a place to short from. Clear on that? If I convert this chart to 15, this is a place to buy from. However, this will never be as good as this ultimate bottom when it comes to day trading. Brilliant trader knows this. And that's the power of the method, no matter what you trade. Never buy into alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. If you will, you will trade with less than 20% success rate. Never short into alpha Fibonacci support. All you need is one good trade. Market being open less than 30 minutes. James and Leslie are done for today. Adios. Pretty please. Focus on quality, never ever quantity of your trades. Agree? And that's the power of intelligent trading. So my brilliant intelligent traders know that extremely well. You do not need many trades. You only need one, and if you're trading down, 95% of the time you work less than 30 minutes per day. That's it. That's your perfect flawless morning on Dow. Your workday is over. It is less than 30 minutes. We're having a ball. We're having a blast. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is your last chance to sign up for Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp. As students say time and time again when I teach a bootcamp, it's a life-changing event. You will never trade the same. Ever. Never, ever, ever. I had never done Genesis Trading Bootcamp with Genesis software. I will never do it again. The only way bootcamp will be available via recording at a drastically higher fee. We're actually down to only one space for the new students. If you are fortunate enough to join bootcamp to take this last place, you are taking advantage of Alpha Fibonacci Total Trading System with software with 10 days of live trading bootcamp at no additional fee. Discount of $5,000 to new Alpha Fibonacci Total Trading System students. Every single day will be life-changing. We will not just focus on Genesis strategy. We will focus on your mindset. We will focus why pain is a good thing in trading. You will start celebrating challenging moments in trading. You will be prepared. How to trade? When not to trade. When trade less 10 hours per week with ultimate accuracy. And again, Monday through Friday, December 12th, 2nd through 13th, on average 3 hours per day, will be recorded. You do not need to be in a boot camp. Agree? And this is the reason I love what I do. This is very, very typical. Mastery classes have been life-changing. I can't imagine what bootcamp will be like. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci trading system and method. For one reason only. I love what I do. And trading system and method will become even better. Tomorrow next year will be mind-blowing. Intelligent, confident trading on any instrument. If you are fortunate enough to grab the very last place, this is what you will receive. 3 months of recorded and live classes and bootcamp and software. All at only this much. Your trading will never be the same. It will blow your mind what you will learn in this trading bootcamp every single day. So, here is a powerful reminder. So if you have any questions, always view what students accomplish, please. We will continue uploading testimonials, we continue uploading videos. What students share, what students trade, what students do. Because you are constantly inspiring others if you are successful. That's what life is all about, correct? Any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me. Simply call or email me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com, as right now price is doing nothing. Correct? As right now, S&P collapsing as expected. Let's convert this chart to 1. Boom. Did we know it? Did we know? Of course. Let's convert this chart to 1 on Dow. Did we know or did we know? Of course. And that's the power of the method. And that's intelligent trading. No matter if you trade 1 minute, no matter if you trade weekly. This is Dow Weekly. Frozen at historical high. This is rally on Dow for the last year. This is rally on S&P for the last year. By the bottom. This is the problem on both. Brand new historical high identified many months in advance. Correct? Software showing you S&P stock when it comes to day trading. This is your range. And that's the power of the method. Day trading not your cup of tea. Trade everything long term, which is loved by many long-term position traders and option traders. Choice is yours. What you will decide to trade.